450-1066 Old English, or Anglo-Saxon, period 1066 to 1500 Middle English period. 1500 to 1660 the Renaissance, or Early Modem, 1558 to 1603 Elizabethan Age. 1603 to 1625 Jacobean Age. 1625 to 1649 Caroline Age. 1649 to 1660 Commonwealth Period, or Puritan Interregnum, 1660 to 1785 the Neoclassical Period. 1660 to 1700 the Restoration. 1700 to 1745 the Augustan Age. 1745 to 1785 the Age of Sensibility, or Age of Johnson. 1785 to 1832 the Romantic Period. 1832 to 1901 the Victorian Period. 1848 to 1860 the Pre-Raphaelites. 1880 to 1901 Aestheticism and Decadence. 1901 to 1945 the Modern Period. 1901 to 1914 the Edwardian Period. 1914 to 1939 the Georgian Period. 1945 to 1970 the Postwar Period. 1970 the Postmodern Period.